What's up, guys? Welcome to your 80th Android tutorial for the new Boston. What we're going to do in this tutorial is basically set up an OnLongClick listener. I'm not sure if I don't think we've done that before, so that's what this tutorial is going to do. The OnLongClick listener can be used for buttons, but since this sound stuff class only has a view, we're just going to set the OnLongClick listener view to this as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hit view.set OnLongClick listener and hit that, and then we're just gonna say this as well, and then we're gonna implement or basically let sound stuff, our class, implement the OnLongClick listener as well. So again, it just puts comma OnLongClick listener, and then we're just gonna say add unimplemented methods, and down here is our OnLongClick listener. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up a media player variable or object as well. We're going to call this MP. Then we're going to set this equal to media player dot create context this, and resources r dot id dot r dot what's going on? I'm sorry, r dot raw dot, and then our background music. And again, we're just going to set this variable so our whole class, all of our methods can use it. So we're just going to cut that and do MP here, and then set up our object above the onCreate method. So there we go. We basically set up a media player as well. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to say MP.start down here. And we're basically good to go. Now, basically what this OnLongClick is if we click and hold for like a second or something, I don't know the exact time, it's going to call this OnLongClick method instead of this OnClick method. And again, this can be applied to buttons and all that other stuff as well. And again, the difference between the media player and the sound pool is the sound pool will allow it to basically be loaded into memory, whereas the other way it's going to kind of stream it. It's going to take a while. So the sound pool is just short clips that can be played quickly and effectively, and that's what you're going to use the sound pool for. Whereas you want a longer background sound, you're going to use the media player. So again, nothing too new. We set up a media player and this OnLongClick method for the most part, and that's all that's going to happen. Alright, so we're just basically going to start it. Now again, it's going to kind of, if we do this click and hold a few times, it's going to play over itself for the most part. But that's not really going to be a problem we're going to worry about. Basically, this tutorial is just talking about the OnLongClick method. So, yeah, it's not the most efficient little application, but that's fine. Just to introduce this new method that you guys can use for buttons or views or whatever you guys want to use this OnLongClick for. And let's get this started up here. Turn up the volume. Sound stuff. And if I just click quickly, it's still just playing our sound pool, but if I click and hold, it starts our music. And then we can still click and it plays our sound pool stuff, as you can see. And there we go. There we go. That's pretty much all this tutorial is about the OnLongClick method that you guys can use for buttons, views, whatever you guys want to attach that to. So hopefully you liked that tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.